Hello guys, welcome back to Enough the Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to reset Reebok Treadmill. So if you're interested, let's get started. So you might be looking for a way to reset your Reebok Treadmill here. Well, in this case, there are a few things you need to know and you need to do here in order for you to reset it. So the first thing you want to do here is you want to make sure that you have safety, or you ensure your safety first. So in this case, you want to go ahead and plug your Reebok Treadmill from any power source you have here. Then from then on, just wait for around like 30 seconds if you can, and ensure it's fully powered off. So make sure that power is fully drained on your treadmill. Now, from then on, you want to go ahead and basically put the safety key that you have into your treadmill here. Now, in this case, you can usually find this on the sides, but if you already have it in here, just leave it as is. So what we need to do is we need to look for something very specific here. Now, a treadmill or a treadmill here will usually have a reset pin hole. Now, usually that hole will be on the side, so either on the left or right here. So go ahead and look for a very small pinhole, or you may be able to see it on the back here. So just search for it. So usually it's going to be labeled as reset. But if you do see a reset hole or a reset button there, you want to go and use any thin a thing or stick or a pin that you have in there and just basically push that. Now, in this case, while pressing the button or hole that you have here, reconnect the treadmill to the power source again. Now, as soon as the display changes, release the button, and your treadmill should now reset to its default settings, and that's it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.